Chhattisgarh Chief Minister announces helicopter ride for board exam toppers. IIT Guwahati and ASSTC collaborate to promote training of ASSTC officers. Classes to commence in 6 new nursing colleges in Haryana from July. NDMC school for adult women to be upgraded till class 12. Madras High Court rules that minority schools are exempted from TET. Directorate of Education says private schools can't force parents to buy books and uniform from a specific vendor. Recruitment of teachers and headmasters in state-run schools to begin soon, says WBC SSC. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nithya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel on Thursday announced that the top 10 meritorious students in the Class 10 and Class 12 board examinations will be rewarded with a helicopter ride. Helicopter rides will be provided in order to motivate and encourage children. The state and district level toppers will get inspiration from the Chief Minister's toppers chopper ride, said the CM, adding that air travel is something everyone desires. I believe that a helicopter ride will inculcate in the minds of children a desire to fly high in the skies of life, and they will sharpen their skills even more to achieve their goals. Baghel further said that during his visit to 3 Atmanand English medium schools in Samri Assembly constituency on Wednesday, he realized that students had a lot of talent but needed motivation. I have full faith that if our students get some unique motivation and if a unique reward is set for them, then their desire to succeed will also increase, he said. The Chief Minister spoke about children's excitement and curiosity on seeing him arrive in a helicopter and said chopper rides will be provided to top 10 meritorious students in Class 10 and 12 exams in the state and district levels by inviting them to Raipur. The Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati will be collaborating with Assam Survey and Settlement Training Centre to promote the training of ASSTC officers. IIT Guwahati will conduct courses related to drone operation, training, maintenance, data collection, application in various sectors, theory classes on modern land management, and research and projects by leveraging their respective expertise in this area. It is the first instance in the country where training on drone technology will be imparted to all levels of officers, and it is a unique step to integrate knowledge-based technological advancement as part of the training curriculum for state officials. Mohan, Honorable State Minister, Revenue and Disaster Management, said in this new era of technology and education, this MOU is a great step towards helping the region. I thank IIT Guwahati for this collaboration. This will help the region and encourage people to work for the development of the region. Within the framework of this MOU with ASSTC, IIT Guwahati will impart training to the government, administrative and technical staff in survey and settlement as well as to private candidates. Both ASSTC and IIT Guwahati will work closely to collaborate and cooperate with each other to support the needs of ASSTC, Government of Assam officers and select manpower as mentors, trainees and skill development and upskilling. The construction work of 6 nursing colleges in Haryana will be completed soon, enabling classes to start by the month of July, as informed by Haryana Chief Secretary Sanjeev Kaushal on Wednesday. Additionally, the new building of the National Institute of Fashion Technology, Panchkula, has also been completed. He further said that classes will be held in this new building from August for the upcoming academic session of this institute. While presiding over a review meeting of development projects amounting to more than Rs 100 crores, the Chief Secretary informed that the classes had been held in another building until now. Various major state subjects such as power, health, medical and technical education in the state were reviewed by the Chief Secretary, who directed officials concerned to complete these projects within the set time frame. New Delhi Municipal Council Vice Chairman Satish Upadhyay on Wednesday announced that the daytime secondary school for adult women in East Kidwai Nagar is soon going to be upgraded up to Class 12. The school currently offers education up to Class 10 and was started in 1990-1991 to provide dropout students from any class with a facility to restart their education. The NDMC Vice Chairman said the objective of the school is to provide educational facilities for the dropout girls belonging to weaker sections of society, especially those who leave their studies due to family circumstances. Several females start jobs to supplement the income of their family, girls whose parents cannot afford their further studies or they are supposed to look after their siblings. The school was started to impart education to such females so that they can continue their education. The school was upgraded to Class 10 level from session 1994 to 1995 and it will soon be upgraded to Class 12. The school provides educational facilities to those who have already undertaken employment, but desire to improve their educational qualifications. The Madras High Court ruled that the teachers' eligibility test would not be applied to minority-run educational institutions. The ruling was given by Justice V. Parthiban while allowing a writ plea by a teacher employed at the RCM High School. The petition sought to overturn an order by the Tiruvallur District Education Officer which was passed in July 2017 in addition to seeking direction from the other authorities to continue paying her salary with all service benefits. The order passed in July 2017 by the Tiruvallur District Education Officer was seeking to recover the increments that had already been granted to her because she had not qualified for TET. Additionally, she is also not entitled to annual increments and maternity leave benefits. The senior counsel representing the petitioner argued that a constitution bench in the Supreme Court has already held that the prescription of TET qualification in terms of the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009 is not applicable to minority institutions. It was further argued that the school that the petitioner was employed at is a minority institution, so TET would not be applicable to it. While accepting the arguments, the judge overturned the Tiruvallur DEO proceedings while directing the authorities to grant appropriate yearly increments that are otherwise admissible to the petitioner. It was further directed that if any recovery was affected as the result of the order, it should be refunded to the petitioner immediately. The court further ordered the concerned authorities to pass appropriate orders within 4 weeks. The Delhi government on Thursday warned private schools against forcing parents to buy costly educational material and uniforms from it or any specific vendor. The schools have also been directed to not change color, design or any other specifications of uniforms for at least 3 years. The Directorate of Education in an official order said that private schools are run by trusts or societies and have no scope of profit and commercialization. Schools shall display class-wise list of books and writing materials to be introduced in the coming session as per rule well in advance on the school website, and this should also be communicated clearly to parents via other media, the DOE order said. In addition to this, schools will also display names, addresses and telephone numbers of at least 5 shops in close proximity of the school where books and uniforms will be made available for students, it said, adding that schools are not allowed to force parents to purchase these things from any of the selected vendors particularly. Parents can buy books and uniforms from any shop as per their convenience and suitability. West Bengal Central School Service Commission on Thursday announced that the recruitment process of assistant teachers and headmasters in state-run secondary and higher secondary schools will begin very soon. In another notice, the WBCSSC said it will soon issue an advertisement for recruitment to the posts of headmaster or headmistress in secondary, higher secondary and junior high schools, and all the relevant details regarding the selection process will be given in a brochure accompanying the advertisement. West Bengal Education Minister Bratya Basu recently said the government was in favour of fast-tracking the appointment of teachers and was aware of the plight of hundreds of educated youth who were awaiting appointment in state-run schools. He said due to court cases, the government was not able to carry on the recruitment process in a full-fledged manner. A school education department official said the WBCSSC sought to know about the number of vacant teacher posts in schools from the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theann.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, this is Nitya.